What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. About a year ago, I did a video review on Blink XT2 camera system. Well, now Blink has released a new camera system, which is Blink Outdoor Battery Powered Security Camera System. You can purchase it in multiple sets like 1, 2s, or 3s or 4s if you want to. Now, to be honest with you, the last system I bought from Blink wasn't that good at all. I just wanted to give it a try to this all new Blink outdoor camera system and see how good it is. System come with the similar specifications, but they say that it's been improved, which I can tell you from the first look, yes, from the design side, it is an improved version. Now within this video, first I'm going to show you what comes within the box, what are the features, following with how easy it is to configure it and install it, and we're going to also have a look into the output performance of it. Now on the mobile phone guys, on a real full HD picture quality. So you should know that by the end of this video, that is this the camera system you would like to buy for yourself or not. Let's quickly talk about the features offered by Blink Outdoor Camera following with the unboxing. Security system comes with the promises that it can hold up to 2 years of battery life, water resistant, day and night time recording with the full HD coverage, two-way audio communication, customizable motion detection areas, and work with the Amazon Alexa products. And we will be checking out most of its features within the video as well. Now camera system which I have ordered come with the 2 cameras, so let's have a look into it, what comes with them. 2 Blink outdoor security cameras with the latest design, camera universal outdoor fittings, but if you like to change them, there are a lot of other options available. I will throw a link for them in a video description. 1 multi-language supporting quick startup guide, 4 AA lithium-ion batteries, all new Blink Sync module 2 with a local storage option available as well with the USB port. Pretty much a straightforward kind of a design and straightforward to powered as well. Also include 1 USB power cable, power up your sync module, and 1 UK power adapter. There is also 1 multi-language supporting user manual for Blink Sync module 2 and 2 pair of screws to install your cameras outdoors or indoors if you want to. And let's not forget about the extra tools you get with the system, which will help you to take this screw out in here to open up the back compartment. Now looking into the camera, from the footprint side of it, it exactly looked like Blink XT2, which I reviewed last year. But there are a few little bit of difference here and there. Starting with the PIR sensor, which is completely new design, and that's about it, to be honest with you. They must have changed some sort of hardware in and out. And in the front of a camera, you're going to see your lens, microphone input, speaker output, as well as a status indicator light too. Where on the back of the camera you have 1 screw cover for opening the back of camera to install the batteries, as well as to fix the camera mount on it. Where also on the back of camera you have a compartment for the USB port as well, but when you remove the lid you can easily access it as well. The process of configuring your Blink outdoor camera system with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward. The only thing you need is an application which is available for Android as well as for iOS users. For this review, I have got an Android mobile phone with me, so I'm going to open up my Google Play Store and search for application called Blink Home Monitor. Right on the top, you're going to see that itself as well. If you have not got installed it, you need to install it. Once installed, open it up. Now if you do not have account with the Blink application, you have to create one, which is very easy and straightforward, just simply following the application. Now once your account is created with your Blink application, on the home screen click onto the plus button on the top. Here you need to select the system you have with you. Now to start with, first we need to add our sync module. To power up our sync module by provided power adapter. Now once your modules are powered up, click onto the Blink wireless module. Now once your synchronization module is powered up and is flashing the way you can see it on my screen, click onto the Blink wireless camera system. Here you need to scan the QR code which is available on the back of sync module. Once you scanned it, you need to give it a name. Actually, it's your camera system name, so I'm going to call it home. Click next. And now just follow the application by clicking onto the discover device. Now once sync module is found and connected with your mobile phone, now you need to give him a credential for the Wi-Fi which will be used by the sync module to connect with the internet. Once you typed in the credential for it, click onto the join button. You will be seeing some changes on your Blink synchronization module. As you can see that our Wi-Fi light is solid as well as the power light. That means we are kind of connected to it, and it's upgrading our firmwares as well at the same time. Well, here is your sync module successfully added within your Blink application. Now we need to add the cameras by following the similar kind of a method, which is by clicking onto the plus button on your home now. And in here you're going to see your camera system, which is a Blink wireless camera. By going in there, you need to again scan the QR code available on the camera as well on the back of it. But just before that, you need to make sure your cameras are powered actually by installing the provided batteries. Scan the QR code. Select which network you will be using for the camera. It's a home actually, so I'm going to click on it. Now while adding the camera into the system, it's going to upgrade the firmware and also give a bit of description that how you can position the camera. Here you have 4 different options available. You have to make sure that to avoid them actually, guys. Now once your camera is successfully added within the application, you can click onto the done button here and add the second camera if you want to by following the same method. Let me do it very quickly and we're going to go ahead with the installation afterwards. Well, there we go. Now we have successfully configured our Blink outdoor camera system within our Blink home monitor application. Now let's quickly have a look into the application, that what it has to offer, following with how you're going to change the settings or rename your cameras too. Now on the home screen within the home, you're going to see all the devices which you have installed within the home tab. Here you have 2 cameras and 1 sync module available for you. Now if you'd like to see the settings of it, by pressing the setting button on the top, you're going to see it all in here. Right, to start with is with the name. Actually you can change it, you can give it any name you like in here. The reason you have to make a suitable or standard name is because you wanted to access it on the reason you wanted to change the name and keep them simple is because you wanted to use them on your Amazon products. Within the general settings you have a name, then you have the monitor settings where you have a battery status as well as the current temperature where the camera going to go and what you can do with respect to the motion. Actually you can enable it and you can also set the zones too. You can also set your triggering time, that whenever motion is detected, how long you want to give it to trigger an alarm, or set its sensitivity to length of the video as well, which is very important. By default it's set to 5 seconds. I prefer it to go at least about 30 seconds. Actually I've gone 35, that's fine, no problem. And end of the clip of the motion, when motion is stopped, clip length is set to 5 seconds, but end the clip if the motion has been ended. Kind of is pretty okay option, to be honest with you, and I'm going to leave it like that. Or early notification, which is on a beta at the moment, I'm not going to try it, and a motion recording as well is turned on and off, it's up to you. Audio settings are also there as well, so as a video quality, that what you would like to see. I'm going to keep it to the best, to be honest with you, at this moment of time. The reason I wanted to show you that how it's going to look like eventually, so you can compare it against any other system. So these are the settings which I'm going to keep actually, guys. Very straightforward kind of settings. Actually status indicator, I'm going to turn them off because I'm going to save a little bit of battery. Actually by returning it, you're going to change the name on it, and whatever changes you made will be saved straight on your camera. Well, the cameras are exactly the same. Let's have a look into the sync module, where you have a minimal options available, starting with the local storage. You can install the USB drive on your sync module too for the local storage. If you're having any problem with it, you can troubleshoot guide is also available, or you wanted to change the Wi-Fi network on it in case you are having problem with your old one, or you replace to the new one. Actually pretty much decent kind of application, kind of a working one looks like from the first look. To configure your Blink camera system with Amazon products is easy and straightforward. Straight away open up your Amazon Alexa application And within the application, you need to click onto the more button in here and click over to the skills and games. Within this area, search for the Blink Smart Home, and from the result select Blink Smart Home. Click enable to use. Type in the credentials you have for your Blink account with the PIN number which you have created while creating an account with the Blink application. Click close button and click onto the discover devices. And now by going into the devices, you can straight away jump into the cameras, or you can go into the all devices to see what cameras are being detected. Within the devices, you should be able to locate driveway blink camera as well as the back garden blink camera too, available in here. Now by using your Echo Show or Echo Show bigger version, you can just simply give it a command and see the live feed available on the screen. Let me give you an example of that. Alexa, show me driveway blink camera.
Okay.
You can't really talk using this area at all, but it's kind of there for you. Alexa, show me back garden blink camera.
Okay.
And there we go. It just works simple as that. This part works awesome, no doubt whatsoever. It's time to install these cameras outdoor, which I don't think so it will be a very big job. Simply place the back cover back onto it. Install this fitting on the wall, and once installed, just push in your camera onto it. That's about it. After that, set the viewing angle of your camera by using the application. Well, you have seen it all, that how easy it is to install and configure this Blink outdoor camera. It is time for us to go ahead with the performance, and let me show you what day and the nighttime recordings I have made using this Blink camera system. Following with the two-way audio communication. Well, now this is a live feed of camera on your mobile. Put this image on the computer to play it on a full HD display. That will give you an idea that how it is going to look like. Now the same video I'm going to play on the full screen, which will give you better idea. Sure, but when I put this image on the computer to play it on a full HD display, that will give you an idea that how it is going to look like. Well, now this is the video recording of my second Blink XT camera, which is facing towards the back garden. Gone completely blue, to be honest with you, out of blue actually. You can tell by the look of it, the sound of it, is it okay or not? Let me know. Well, now this is the video recording of my second Blink XT camera, which is facing towards the back garden. Gone completely blue, to be honest with you, out of blue actually. You can tell by the look of it, the sound of it, is it okay or not? Let me know. Check out the two-way audio communication. Can you hear me very clearly?
Yeah.
All right. Say something actually so I can see how's the microphone performance.
Subscribe to Naresh Lal.
Anything else?
Be sure to leave a like on the video.
Okay.
Don't forget to hit the bell button.
Thank you. Let's check out how quickly we get the notification when we come in front of the camera. Well, here I am in front of the camera. The light I can see in the front is activated, which is the blue in color. I'm just waiting for the notification now on my mobile phone, which almost took 30 seconds. And you can straight away view who is in front of the camera and talk to them as well by going into the live feed. And the way this talking feature works is by press and hold on the talk button. The way mobile notifications work is all to do with your internet speed. If you got a better internet speed, a notification will be much faster. Now after using this Blink camera system from last couple of days, honestly speaking, I don't have a very much of confidence around the quality on it. Bit of cold weather turned your camera into blue color. Alright guys, now here we are in the end of this video, where I'm going to wrap around that what I think, what are my opinions about the Blink outdoor camera system. First thing is installation. Well, in terms of installation, a grandma can install it, no problem whatsoever. You can follow my video, you can configure it as well. Configuration process is easy as eating a pie, maybe. That's not a problem at all. Everything is perfect in that way. My real issue is this now. The video quality. Daytime recording and motion notifications work great, fine, no problem whatsoever. But the issue is the night time, where the resolution goes completely berserk. Infrared lights don't even work. You have to put a separate light outdoors to have a good night vision. And that's the thing which I don't like the most about this Blink outdoor camera. It is cheap, guys. What you're going to expect from a camera system which you buy for only £90. Now, in my personal opinion, Blink outdoor camera system is for the people who can't do a lot of DIY jobs, not really bother about the quality they're going to get out of their video. They just, for the sake of it, they have got a camera outside of their house. They can have this camera. A dummy camera is better than this one, to be honest with you. That's my personal opinion. Now, to buy a best security system which always works, there are two things you can do. One, you can go with the wired system. Always reliable, always works, full HD, 4K if you want to, or high megapixel as well, where everything can be seen very clearly, day, night. I would recommend to go with the Hikvision or a Reolink camera system. They both are perfect, to be honest with you. You can go for the Swan if you want to, or if you wanted to go less amount, if you like to install only 2 camera system, battery powered, you don't need to worry about wiring, then go for Reolink, or go with the EZVIZ camera, which has got a colored night vision as well. They are perfect, to be honest with you. But from my side, I would personally not recommend this system at all. I'm sorry guys, that is my opinion, and you like it or not, it's your own choice. If you find this video informative, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit double time on the dislike button. I'm going to love it. Thank you guys. Bye for now.